So we're back in the garage, CKN, my second home, my home away from home. I wish it was the daily grind, but it's not, but it almost basically is. Either way, we're making moves, we're making progress. So we're almost there, almost down to the last bit of rust repair in the engine bay. So as you've seen, I've been working away, stitch welding. I got my plates all welded in on both sides and everything like that, all stitch welded up and everything. And I don't know if you can see this, but we are working on the frame right now. So we have been just trying to tackle this bit of rust in the frame right now. I made an inner frame rail, basically, that's spot welded to the outer frame rail, and now I'm gonna make a cover to go over it, basically like a whole thing that's gonna fit over all of it. I'm not really sure, you know, honestly, the last time I did the frame rail, I did it totally differently. I wanted to try this way out. It's not really being that easy. It's kind of being difficult, but it is working. It is strong. I took a hammer and hammered it around. It's pretty strong. I couldn't jack from just that single layer, but once I get the double layer in there, I'm sure it'll be fine to jack from, because the other side is made out of the same material, and it is fine. So I'm just gonna keep plugging away. Gonna basically just try to get these things knocked out today and update you as I go. This is going to be a super long video. I really apologize, but it will hopefully be the last of the rust repair engine bay project. And we can move on to prepping for paint, cutting the tubs, and doing everything else we need to do. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll bring you back when I get some progress done. Alright guys, so we have our passenger frame rail all replaced, nice and strong, double layered with an inner frame rail, and then outer pieces welded over everything. So yeah, that should be plenty strong. Not the prettiest, but you know, some of the beads look alright. It's just really awkward when you're laying on your back and you're trying to do this. But if it'll focus, some of the beads up here look pretty decent. You know, not too bad. Just really awkward position, but there she is. All good to go. Nice and thick, nice and strong. I'll show you the inside here. The hardest problem is just getting in here to weld this up when you're only, you know, 6 inches, 8 inches off the ground. But, you know, not too bad. Got some nice little beads going. Kind of messy, but she's strong. I'm not worried about it. I did this one 6 years ago. And, I did this one 6 years ago, and it's still here. Little surface rust, but all I did was paint it with some engine enamel. So it's not like I properly coated it with anything. So I'm just gonna wire brush it and repaint it as well. But yeah, so now that the frame rail's done, all I have left is the driver's side inner wheel well. So that's next. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, start cutting some stuff out and everything like that. I just want to share with you because I'm actually very happy I got the frame rail done and everything. I only have one more piece. It is a big job, the inner wheel well on the driver's side, yes. But after that, I will be done with the engine bay and front area pretty much. And we can just start scuffing it up and start prepping it for paint, which is, you know, makes me extremely happy. You know, it looks like shit. So if I could just get it all scuffed up and at least get a coat of primer or something on it, just so it looks all one color, I'll be extremely happy. We're saving this car. We're drifting. 2018 coming at you. Staying motivated. That's all I can say. All right, guys. Because of how long this video is going to be, I'm just going to give you a before shot and then a after shot. Oh no! What What happened? Fix it! Fix it! Ah! It's not working! Ah! Why won't this work? Ah, yes, finally it worked. Oh my God. Jeez, I was wondering what was going on there. All right, guys, so finally, to bring an end to this, I will just say this has been a nightmare. So yeah, obviously we have patched all the rust and redone this whole thing. I mean, it's crazy. And I started to get it figured out. I started to get some pretty decent little beads going and everything like that. You know, I'm pretty happy with most of those. Some of them are goobers that are pretty nasty, and then some of them are just, like yesterday when I was doing this, it was pretty bad. Either way, I am so stoked to finally have that done. So, just to recap and everything, this is going to be a long video. This is a long video. I'm sorry, but I haven't filmed much of me working on this last bit because honestly, I feel like you guys probably are tired of all the rust repair, and honestly, I've probably put 12 to 15 hours, if not more, into fixing this, and I just didn't have the time to film and add more time to it because it's just taking so long, and I'm running out of time. I mean, I just needed to take a break from filming and get work done. I hope you can understand, and I appreciate your understanding about that, but let's just show you what we got. So now, the driver's side is all patched up. As you can see, I didn't know how else to do this, but I just cut out the rust here, and then I just welded that panel in from the wheel well and stuff. And then I just tacked it along with welded. It's strong. I'm not worried about it. I'm not sure if it's the prettiest thing in the world, but it's kind of cool. It's got a battle damage. But on the passenger side, we have fixed all the rust. We have also done the frame and everything, so the frame is all repaired. So that's super great. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It's a rusty 240, but all the strut towers have been fixed, all the plates have been fixed, remade, spot welded. I mean, we have just gone crazy and just fixed so much rust on this car. It's hard to see, but here's the other part of the frame rail. If it would focus, so it's catching the light wrong. So there's another part, it's hard to see, but we got the frame rail there too. So guys, what's this mean? I still need a new 240. I still need a new shell. If you have a coupe and you feel like donating to the Clutch Kicker Nation garage and it is not very rusty, I don't care if it has a motor training, interior, I don't care about none of that. Just please, if it has no rust, just DM me, Facebook me, whatever. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're trying to donate that shell. In the meantime, we're patching this bitch together. That's right. We are just sticking, blowing holes, and putting metal in there. And you know what? It's finally done. The engine bay at least. So what's our plans now? You're just going to have to stay tuned to the next video. So I'm signing off here. It's been a long one. It's been rough. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch it. Please like, share, subscribe to the video, or to the channel, not the video, to the channel, Clutch Kicker Nation. You want to subscribe to Clutch Kicker Nation, make sure your notifications are turned on, all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!